Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make Snapchat's public profile. All you need to do first, just if you don't have an account on Snapchat, go and create your account. If you don't even have it on your phone, just go download it through Play Store if you have Android or App Store if you have iPhone. If you have an account, just log in, but if you don't have, sign in. Then go straight to Snapchat. All you need to do after entering Snapchat, look at the top left corner and click at your profile icon. After doing that, just all you need to do, just scroll down a bit until you find create public profile and public profile sections. Then it's new, and then all you need to do, just click on it. And as you can see, they are telling you that it will show your name. Any snap you need to Spotlight or Snap Map will now show your name. Anyone who view these snaps or your lens will be able to subscribe to your account. All you need to do, just click continue, and they will tell you that build your public profile, add collections to your snaps from Spotlight, Snap Map, or Camera Roll to help Snapchatters find out more about you. All you need to do if you want to make your Snapchat public profile, just click at Get Started and you will have a public profile on Snapchat. So that's it for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.